Hello everyone, I am Teacher Callan with U+ Education, and today we're going to learn some helpful tips for division. First, we're going to learn about dividing by 1. Every single number is divisible by 1, and in fact, the answer is just the original number itself. So, 1 is divisible by 1, 16 is divisible by 1, 47 is divisible by 1. A big number like 7,129 is divisible by 1. Every single number is divisible by 1, and the answer is just the original number itself. Next, let's talk about dividing by 2. Every even number is divisible by 2. So let's take a look at the number 612. So the last digit of 612 is 2, which means that 612 is an even number, and we can divide it by 2. And in fact, 612 divided by 2 equals 306. Next, we're going to learn a really helpful trick to tell when a number is divisible by 3. What you want to do is add together all the digits of the number, and if their sum is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So let's take a look at the number 114. The hundreds digit is 1. The tens digit is also 1, and the ones digit is 4. So we do 1 plus 1 plus 4, which equals 6. And 6, we know, is divisible by 3, and that means that 114 is divisible by 3. And in fact, 114 divided by 3 equals 38. Next up is dividing by 4. If the last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, then the entire number is also divisible by 4. So let's take a look at the number 124. The last two digits make the number 24. And we know that 24 is divisible by 4, since 24 equals 4 times 6. So that means that 124 is also divisible by 4. And in fact, 124 divided by 4 equals 31. It is really easy to tell when a number is divisible by 5. If the last digit is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So let's take a look at the number 715. The last digit is a 5, which means that 715 is divisible by 5. And in fact, 715 divided by 5 equals 143. Next, we'll learn about dividing by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So let's look at the number 216. The last digit is 6. Now 6 is even, which means that 216 is even and is divisible by 2. Next, let's check if 216 is divisible by 3. We're going to use the trick we learned earlier. So the hundreds digit is 2. The tens digit is 1, and the ones digit is 6. Now 2 plus 1 plus 6 equals 9, and we know that 9 is divisible by 3. So that means 216 is divisible by 3. And since 216 is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. And in fact, 216 divided by 6 equals 36. Lastly, we're going to learn how to tell when a number is divisible by 9. And this trick is really similar to the trick for 3. What you want to do is add all the digits of the number together, and if their sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So let's take a look at the number 216 again. Now, the hundreds digit is 2. The tens digit is 1. And the ones digit is 6. 2 plus 1 plus 6 equals 9. And 9, of course, is divisible by 9. So this means that 216 is divisible by 9. And in fact, 216 divided by 9 equals 24. Now you know some helpful divisibility rules. If you want to learn more, Check out the link in the description to see the math courses that U+ Education offers. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math videos.